welcome to the Compare the Carriers channel, your trusted source for all things related to freight, transportation, and moving. Ever stared down the challenge of getting your trusty tractor across the state? Or maybe that brand new hay baler needs a long distance ride. You're not alone. I'm Matthew, a farm machinery enthusiast and logistics expert. Today, we're demystifying the world of heavy equipment shipping for beginners. First size matters. Measure your beast length, width, and height to the inch. Don't forget attachments. Weight is crucial too. A hefty combine needs a different truck than your trusty lawnmower. Does your machinery have any quirks? Oversized tires, delicate equipment? Mention them up front to avoid surprises. You wouldn't want your antique hay rake dangling off a flatbed. Not all carriers are created equal. Look for companies that specialize in heavy equipment. They have the experience and gear to handle your precious tractor like a porcelain doll. And don't settle for the first quote. Get bids from several specialized carriers. Compare rates, insurance options, and their equipment capabilities. Remember, the cheapest isn't always the best. Don't let your engine oil become a highway hazard. Drain fluids according to your manual and consider using environmentally friendly alternatives. Everything from tools to detachable parts needs to be firmly fastened. Imagine a bouncing toolbox, not the image you want for your prized cultivator. Take pictures of your machinery before loading in case any damage occurs during transport. It's better to be safe than sorry. Don't be shy. Clarify loading and unloading procedures, insurance coverage details, and tracking options. Knowledge is power, even for farm machinery newbies. Remember, Compare the Carrier, your one-stop shop for all your heavy equipment shipping needs and beyond. We're not just about shipping. We excel in a range of services, including freight, comprehensive transportation solutions, and professional moving services. Get instant quotes, compare rates, and find the perfect carrier for your journey. Subscribe for more farm machinery wisdom, leave a comment with your shipping questions, and visit our website for exclusive deals. Compare the Carrier. Compare to save.